Plus. Minus. Today I have two special guests at work, and they are.
My name is Jump, aka Blaziken or Aaron. You can call me My name is Kailee, and I am 9 years old. Also here. He's 9 years old. Yeah. First,
So what are we going to talk about today?
today we talk about school. Yes, we're talking about our school. We had so much fun with our friends until we did our exercise. We always do that in the mornings, like we exercise and then I have to lead the singing like we exercise our mouths. Great.
I'm kind of like the reporter today. I'm interviewing these two kids.
Yep.
Your school activities.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay, you go first.
Go.
Okay. So what did you do today?
I learned about my science in school. I learned about minerals.
Don't look at me, look at the video.
No, I want. I learned about minerals. The first one is one of the most common minerals is quartz. Yeah, quartz. Actually, the softest is top. The hardest is diamond, right?
That's science, right?
More
Science?
of the precious gems of
Is
all.
that science?
Yes, it is. Yeah. In my science, I'm learning about bees, of course. They just sting for defense, of course.
Okay.
And they are kind of like they know how to cool the hive. Like some bring water droplets, and then others turn them into water vapor to cool the hive, like air condition. It's complicated for you, Mister.
Yeah, science is complicated.
In my math, I was learning about division. Me, I'm learning about fraction.
Hey Champ, do you know the math dance?
No. Math dance? No.
No, you didn't know the math dance.
What do you mean the math dance is like tennis show.
Plus. minus. Multiply. Division. Hey, this is the division one. The division.
Oh my goodness, that was the weirdest dance.
No, that's not weird.
It's a little bit weird for me.
Is it weird? Let's go back to the subject.
Yes.
Let's go back to your school.
Okay, now in my word building, we learn how to write a lot of words, and some of the words are so hard I can't even spell them. I learned about Filipino. I learned about Pambalana and Panao. I also learned about Isahan and Maramihan. Those are the
Isahan and Maramihan.
Yeah. Excuse me, but does any know what the word Dios means?
Yeah, do you know what was that?
What is what? Dios?
Jos?
Yes.
That's Jos.
Josh? Why? That's God.
It's God, okay? God.
Oh yeah, I already know.
Do you know Bathala?
No.
That's still God.
Oh man. I know Jose Rizal. He died. Oh, that's so sad. He got shot.
Yeah.
Okay, the worst thing here is that Donald Trump became the president of the United States. Yeah, I know, right? I vote for Hilary Clinton.
Why did we put that subject in?
Okay.
Okay, how about you, Kailee?
For me,
How did you do in school?
I did well, but there's a million mistakes in my math. Because it's so hard. In my English, I had 13 mistakes. Whoa, that's a lot.
Can you enumerate the subject you have today?
We had word building. I had word building and math. How about you? I had math, English, word building, science, social studies, and Filipino.
Me, I've got phone, computer, ball pen.
In lunchtime, we were eating, and then Chomp, he said dragons were real, but they are actually not.
They are actually real.
No way.
In my dream.
Only. Also in my dream.
Maybe long time ago.
Oh man.
That's
And then in the afternoon was so ridiculous.
Why?
Because my friend Adol, he was acting so weird, and he was like, no. He was like, where's the door? And you know what happened to our classmate Kayan? Like a girl. Absolutely.
Yeah, let's talk about what happened after lunch.
After lunch, I had to draw to my little friend Cassie. She's always bugging me to draw pony. Always. Me and Adol and my friends were like airplanes. And then Adol's airplane got stuck in one corner. Yeah. It was like a chair, got stuck in it. When I threw his airplane, it got stuck on the piano. Oh man. on the piano. What? That was actually airplane. I didn't even finish my work. I finished my work. I'm so happy today.
I don't know why, but I kind of feel like my English is worse with
Why?
these kids. Why you're not in a uniform?
Because I'm going to a convention. It's like a competition. Lots of competition. And I have to. And I have to save my uniforms for Chiang Mai. So now I have to wear this.
Today? Is it today?
No, next week. Actually, I'm doing poultry, which is the worst thing in my life. Why?
And why?
Poultry is kind of like super hard. Kind of you have to have some more emotions and you have to act so much and some silly actions making people laugh so hard, making me so sad. Yeah.
This was really a bad idea. Please like.
Share and subscribe.
Our YouTube channel. Be sure you subscribe.
I'm gonna go now. Bye bye. Hey, champ. So today was good, maybe. Not a lot of patience though, and well, I have fun with the kids. And yeah, I've done at work. I go to the barber and cut my hair, basketball practice, and this the part that I could use my newly bought drone because it was raining. And yeah, but still I might get a chance another day. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.